How low can you go? Can you go
Lightning McQueen's official sponsor.
Dynamo, Drunk Fresh, or Rusty?
All right, let's say it all together on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Rusty!
Great job, rookies.
Oh, look, more rookie racers. Welcome, everyone. As you enter the Racing Academy, pick a lane and find a parking spot. Remember to drive all the way down your lane to make room for every car.
In just a few minutes, we'll be off to the races with Piston Cup winner Lightning McQueen.
7-time Piston Cup winner.
And Lightning isn't the only Piston Cup winner around today. Of course, I'm talking about Cruz Ramirez.
Hey, everybody. In which event did Cruz Ramirez have her racing debut?
Crazy 8, World Grand Prix, or Florida 500.
All right, everybody. Shout out the answer on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Crazy 8!
Oh, nice going, rookies.
Yeah! Oh, Cruz and Lightning have been working on a demo for today that's going to knock your tires off.
Cruz really knows her racer. I'd give her 2 humps up.
Hello, rookie racers! Welcome to Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy. I'm Sally.
And I'm Mac.
And we're here live backstage at the Racing Academy. As you rookies make your way in, please pick a lane and drive on in.
Come later! Well, y'all thought it was gonna be someone else. Well, hey there, rookie racers. You're parked at Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy. My bestest buddy, Lightning McQueen, done asked me to introduce him. So I put together a little thing I call Lightning McQueen, the untold story that ain't done yet been told. And here it is, singing style. Oh, I gotta push the button. Shoot, I knew that. Here's the story of a car. Piston Cup racer, rookie star. End of the season when this car took a crazy three-way tie. Everybody say, hey, go! Take a long sleigh one night. Made new friend, they come that's right. Found a new home, sunny and bright. Get radiators free. Turned my donkey in on the grain because he chose to help a friend. Shit gets smart, but in the end, he's the pony champion. Everybody shout, pony! Pony! Racing, chasing, consolidation, winning piston cups. Amazing! Watch him now and listen to him. Daring to race and win. Honk your horns and say it loud. Good job, good job, good job. Hit the music, hit the light, make them stand, hit the lasers. Let's laser.
Put your wheels together for 7-time Piston Cup champion and Vader's best friend, Lightning McQueen! Good job! Oh, Nader, that was some introduction.
Well, nothing's too good for my best buddy. I pulled out all the stops for lights, lasers, and smoke.
There's no smoke.
No smoke!
Thanks, Mater. Hello, everyone. Wow, what a great group of rookie racers. You know, I only figured out how to be a great racer because I had a great teacher, Doc Hudson. That's why I started this racing academy, so I could pay that forward to all of you.
Buddy,
Yes, Mater?
Doc wasn't the only one that taught you a thing or three.
That's right. He taught me how to drive backwards, how to tip tractors, how to be a great friend.
Yeah, and then you went on to win a heap of piston cups. Whee!
Now, winning is great and all, but Doc taught me at the end of the day, without your friends, it's just an empty cup. Doc's passion for racing was inspiring. If he couldn't outrace them, he would outthink them.
Ladies and gentle cars, the fabulous Hudson Hornet.
Wow. Now, to kick off today's lesson, I'm going to take a few laps on a simulator. I know what you're thinking. Simulators and I don't get along very well. Did you have to show that, Mater?
Well, it makes you more dramatical.
Yeah, but that's not going to happen this time, thanks to the tech-savvy rookie sensation and my friend, Cruz Ramirez.
Hello, everybody! After today, you'll be ready to meet it, read it, and defeat it!
Exactly! Mater, boot up the simulator.
You got it. What? Oh, gotta push the button. Wrong button.
Right.
Initiating simulator.
Yeah, now that's what I'm talking about. Here we go, rookies. Help me with the countdown. 3, 2, 1, go! All right, it's always good to start with a practice lap. Warm up your tires.
Now, when you're racing, you want to keep an eye on your tire pressure, oil level, and fuel.
Exactly. As you get started, get used to the speed for a moment and pick a line and stick to it. Uh-oh, congestion ahead. What should we do, Cruz?
Imagine a stampede and pick a window.
Just like Smokey taught us.
Just love tractor tipping.
What was that?
I didn't press nothing.
Probably a bug. I can fix this.
Sorry, rookies. I don't know how that happened.
Wait, the simulator was corrupted. I'm rebooting it now.
Got it. Okay. Now, it's important that you train on a variety of tracks. Let me show you. Select Tokyo, Japan.
Opening.
Are you afraid to go for a drive because of a leaky tailpipe? I'm Lightning McQueen for leakless. Hit the trail without leaking on the trail. That was only supposed to air overseas. Guys, what's happening?
In our universe, there is only one race car that stands above the rest.
Doc Hudson?
One race car who is the champion of champions!
Mr. the King?
No! You know him as the greatest racer of all time!
Lightning McQueen!
No! She can't!
Chick Hicks? That's not who I was thinking of, but okay.
Hey, McLoser!
Chick, what are you doing here?
Well, I hacked into your silly simulator so I could race you and finally prove who's the best race car. Me or me?
Chick, you already beat me in a race.
Everyone says I only won that cup because you were helping the king. They say my championship was a fluke, which it wasn't. I'm here to settle this once and for all. Let's race, McQueen.
I am not racing you, Chick. We're busy training these rookies.
Well, I'll sweeten the deal. If I win, every racer here gets a huge pile of cash.
Must be appropriate agent release to claim huge pile of cash. Not responsible for loss or stolen items. One huge pile of cash for winning customer. Offer unavailable in Orlando, Florida.
Come on, leave the rookies out of this.
I knew you were afraid to race me.
What do you rookies think? Should we race this guy?
Yeah, you can beat him.
Yeah!
Oh, yes, you should race Chip, even though he's so much better. Queen.
All right, let's do this. Mater, start up the simulator.
On it.
Please select a course.
Chickix Motor Speedway.
Come on, is that even a place?
It is now. All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, I'm racing the wrong way. Oh, I'm driving backwards here.
You got this, buddy. Remember, you don't need to know where you're going.
Right, I just need to know where I've been. All right, how am I doing, everyone?
You're doing great, buddy.
Oh, yeah? Because it looks to me like you're losing tire pressure.
I'm slowing down.
Hack the system to change your stats!
Hey, let's change.
Don't worry, I'm activating team mode!
Activating team mode.
Mr. McQueen, you tires. Guido. It's the...
Hey, Luigi, Guido, thanks.
Hey, McQueen, looks like you really do need some leak
My oil.
Oh, honey, don't worry. I got you. Come out.
Exactly. Chick.
Oh, yeah? Well, what do you call these guys?
Nightmares like this. Whoa.
Old school, Mr. McQueen.
Old school?
What's dirt track? Who races on dirt?
Doc Hudson.
Doc, turn right to go left.
That doesn't even make sense.
Does to me. Thanks, Doc.
Oh, yeah, Stickers. You're making Doc proud.
Hey, thanks. All right, Chick. Now it's just you and me. As Doc always said, float like a Cadillac, sting like a beaver. No! Yeah! Let's make some noise for Lightning McQueen! Ka-chow!
What was that?
That's called teamwork.
You only won because you got help from your friends.
Hey, guess what? I'm his friend too.
You are?
No one messes with my whip filter.
Well, rookies, that was not how I thought this lesson was going to go. But Chick reminded me that in the end, racing isn't about speed and flash and crossing the finish line. It's about the journey you take to get there and who you've got driving alongside you.
Oh boy, I'm getting all rusty-eyed back here.
Thanks for coming out today. Consider yourselves honorary members of my Lightning McQueen Racing team. Now go out there and get your tires dirty.